Hello, this is Donna from Online Driver Support. In this tutorial, I would like to show you how to apply for a UK provisional licence using the official dvla online service. First of all, type into your browser Apply for Provisional Licence. Make sure you choose the .gov website. There are some requirements you have to meet in order to apply for a provisional licence from the dvla, the Driving Vehicle Licensing Agency. You must be a resident of Great Britain. Northern Irish citizens need to apply for their provisional licence using a different service, the DVA. You must be at least 50 and 9 months old at the time of applying for your licence. You can use this licence to drive a moped or motorbike. You do not need to apply again to drive a car. You must be able to read a standard licence plate from a distance of 20 metres, with glasses or contact lenses if necessary. To apply online, the cost is £34, which you pay by card during the application process. You'll need your ID or UK passport, the addresses where you've lived for the last 3 years, and your national insurance number. This will enable the service to verify your identity. There is also the option to apply by post. To do this, you'll need to get the D1 form from the post office and submit the necessary details along with a payment of £43. However, to continue with your application online, click the Start Now button to proceed with your application. Fill in the next few screens with all your personal information. Please read all the declarations carefully and tick the box that apply. I will enter some dummy information for illustration purposes only. Please take time to read the information on each screen. Again, take your time and read the information before you click Next. Enter your details. I'm going to say I was born on the 1st of January 1986. Born in the United Kingdom. Click Next. Enter your house number and your postcode and click Next. Check the address is correct. If you want to add any more information, click this box here. Click Next. It asks you how long you've lived there. I'm going to say 10 years. Next, you enter your contact number, any other daytime number, maybe a mobile number, whether you're married, single, what name you were at birth, and your mother's maiden name, and your place of birth. Type in your national insurance number. Again, this is just for illustration purposes. Do take time to read the information on each screen. I'm just trying to condense this video for you. Enter your passport number. And click Next. This page asks if you want to use a photograph of your passport on your driving licence. And you can click Yes or No for this. If you click Yes, it's the quickest way to proceed. Next, it asks you whether you've lived in another country in the last 12 months, and we click No, and whether you're currently disqualified from driving. Tick the boxes that apply. Next, it asks about your eyesight. Do you meet the legal eyesight for driving? And do you need to wear contact lenses or glasses? Again, tick the boxes that apply. The next page is your medical questions. Take time to read all of this and tick any box that might apply to you. If you don't tick any boxes, you can tick this confirmation to say that none of them apply to you. Next page asks whether you want to join the NHS organ donor register. I'm just going to click that I want to complete my application at this stage. Ask for an email address. And then it asks you to confirm a declaration. It's very important you read this. You make sure that all the information you've added so far is correct, because there is a fine of up to £1,000 or imprisonment due to false information. The next screen asks for your card details. Obviously I'm not going to enter any details because this information isn't correct, but you would enter your card details here and click the next button. You will then get a confirmation statement that you can print off to save in case you need to chase up your application. You should also get a copy of this via email from the DVLA. The driving licence can take 10 working days to arrive. You cannot take any driving lessons or book your theory test until you receive the driving licence. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Please subscribe to the channel for other hints and tips about learning to drive. But for now, thank you from Donna from Online Driver Support.